How to make a game pass on Roblox PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass on Roblox PC. First of all, open up the web browser on your PC. Then, search here roblox.com. After that, you need to log in to your Roblox account. From the login page, you can either use the email me a one-time code or use another device option. So choose another option from here. Then it will show you the QR code, and if you scan this QR code and from another device to log into your Roblox account, after that you will successfully get into the dashboard of your Roblox account. Now click on the creations option from the left-hand dashboard. Then click to go into your created passes. After that, scroll down in the dashboard and go into the passes option. Now from here, you can create a new pass. To create a pass, you need to enter the name of the pass you want to create and give the description of your pass. Once you're done with both, click to create a pass. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.